Assalamu alaikum. So, hopefully, you have watched our previous video in which we have discussed how you can download and how you can write your first vocabulary. Okay, so now in this class, I'm going to teach you about variable. So, I have also uploaded a video in which I have discussed theoretically what are variables and what are those things. But first, we need to understand what are variables. So, variables are basically uh, memory container. What are variables? Variables are memory containers. In variables can hold the value temporarily. See an example. Let's say I write here name. Just give me a minute. You all will understand it, inshallah. Name equal to sir. This is my name, and you can search me using this name on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn on as well. Okay, it served as a Baig. And Acha, just see what is name? Name is a variable which holds my name, which is Sir Hassan Baig. What does name do? Name is a variable and it holds my value. How? Using equal to. This is an assignment operator which assigns the name my value. Okay. So my name has a value. Sir Hassan Baig. Okay. See what will happen if I just run it using a print command. We have discussed in previous class. Print brackets name. What is name? Name is a variable. I don't want to give my name over here, but what I'm doing, I'm just giving the reference, which is a variable, right? See, here you can see it's my name over here. Suppose there is an other variable that is subject, maybe temperature size. I don't know. All right. See, what it will do? It will just print name because I have asked it to just print the name, not no subject. See, and if I just switch it to its subject, it will print computer science. Understand? All right. Hopefully, you guys have understood. If you have any query, just drop down the comments in the video section. I'll help you out, inshallah. Okay. So you have done variable. We have understood variable. Suppose I need to add two variables, or you can say I want this value and this thing in a single line. Okay. How I can do this thing? For that, acha, before that, I'm going to prove it. A variable is a value that has a temporary. Variables are temporary. How we can prove it? Just give me a minute. I'll show you. Suppose I am writing name equals to Ali. Okay. And just writing name. What it will print? Think about it. Mm, But okay. Now I'm running it. It's Ali. Why? Because variable is a data container that holds the value temporarily. First, I provide the value is surface MB. Previously, I have provided this value, and now I have updated the value. So this is printing Ali. Understood? So we have understand the variable is a temporary data container. Okay. So hopefully you guys have understanding of your teacher is saying the variable is a data container that holds data temporarily. So this is the okay. So we are doing an experiment. Inshallah, we will be succeeded on that. For that, I am just Why plus? Because plus is used for concatenation. Concatenation is what? Students, concatenation is a thing by which we can add two values together. We can join two values together. Concatenation, or you can also refer it as a joiner, because concatenation helps you to join two different things. So, see, name plus subject. Okay, so just try to run over it. Yeah, you can see it's a Hassan Baig computer science. Oh, but there is a problem now. You guys can see it's a Hassan Baig, but there is no gap. So how can I do? Uh, Only you can do that. What you can do in here is plus is used for concatenation. Okay, so I'm just putting inverted comma and space in between that. Right now, here is another concatenation mark. Now, see, wonderful. We have done it. So here is a gap between the words, right? Hopefully, you guys have understanding of that. Okay. Now I'm making an other program. You guys can pause the video and copy the same. And I highly recommend you side by side. You are watching my video lecture, and you guys need to practice it, because if you make it for later, you are not going to practice that, and you are not getting anything out of it. Okay. Now just try to add two numbers. How you can add two numbers? No? You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, or you can divide. How you can do it? First, give me a minute. Okay. Uh, let's say I'm using a variable which is first now. Okay. You can use like this, or you can use also use like this. It is underscore, right? Booster equals to 10. Right? Uh, can you like, I'm making it small as well. Okay. Okay, next equals to maybe 89. Sounds good. Okay. So for that, if you need to add two values, what you can do here is you can just use the variable of the course. Uh, See, it is suggested. So you can just click with this thing, or you can also use tab, right? Tab button, which is most left on your keyboard. What I'm doing is I'm just using plus symbol and second. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Wait, is space 99. So you can subtract it. If it works, it will represent in negative answer. Full stop. You guys know algebra. You can use multiply. Okay. Let's see. Just copy it down, paste it, uh, change it. See, you can see. So you can do this kind of thing. Acha. It's easy. Yes, but you can do this thing for subtraction and division both as well. Inshallah, that's it for today's video. Inshallah, in next class we will discuss something else. Till then, take care. Love Hafiz.